I wanted to quickly show you our new Grouped Tasks feature. Check this out. Now if I select a standard task or one that appears in Takt settings, I can now have this new button that appears. And with that I click on this and it highlights all the tasks from that series. And so now I can go in here and I can actually rename those. I'll just call this mechanic instead of mechanical, or new name, I'll just say that. And you'll notice that appears across all of those. Now they have that new name. I can change the color of that from here. I can change all sorts of things like reversing the sequence, which is kind of crazy and fun. But it gives us that ability to now edit attributes. Check this out. I can even change the duration of all those tasks all at the same time. And those changes will be reflected in Takt settings as well. So now you can make all those edits directly from within here. And then tap this button to jump back out of that mode. But let's look at these one-off tasks. One of the problems that we get with those is, check this out, in the legend, we have our standard tasks, one-off tasks. We end up, even if I make copies of the exact same one, it show up multiple times in the legend. However, check this out. I'm gonna grab all these tasks that I wish to be connected together, all these one-offs, and I'm gonna actually change those from one-offs to grouped tasks. Now it's gonna ask me, which task would you like these to be a part of, or which would you like them to copy from? And I'll just change this inspection one. Notice now it's taken on the name, the color, and the task code of those, but it leaves the other properties unique. This way I can still come in here and grab this task and change its duration a little bit, but maintain that group. You'll notice I have a new icon here that appears, and I clicked on that task to edit all the grouped tasks, and boom. Now it's going to treat those as a group that I can then go in and change any attributes I want to them. So I could set up a new duration, I could throw a certain crew size on all those, I can add any sort of tags I want, and now each one of those tasks is now going to have all those attributes. Beautiful thing there, it's those tags and all that. But let's say I want to add another task to this group. So I'm going to create a new one-off task. I'll just throw one down here. I'm just going to call this one-off, just however we want to do that. And if I want this to be a part of those, I can go ahead and grab this task, change it to a group task, and say, be like this one. And it's going to copy that and now show up in that same task group together. So it's a beautiful bit of simplicity that we've added to this now. I can always go back and revert this back to an individual task. It wants to be its own thing, wants to be different from the rest. But now the beautiful thing is, in our legends, we now just see each of those unique tasks one time. So if I was to now grab this task and say, let's bring it back into the group, don't be a loner anymore, join them. I only see one time in the legend this inspection task that can be replicated, moved, and modified any way you want to. A lot of beauty to this. I look forward to this feature, which also builds upon other features that are coming soon that everyone should get really excited about. Thank you.